You already know, your bail is set at 500. Your bail is
How
set at
come your bail is
250.
lower than mine?
Because I'm
I
prettier.
can defend your actions, but you still have to post bail. You need 500. You need appeal to people who care about others.
I need $250.
I need $500.
And I am just asking the people that if they could remember all the wonderful little emails and all of the stuff that I've been doing for you executive committee people and planning council, please help me raise $250. Thank you.
Well, I love my service providers. I try to do everything I can to make their lives better so that they can help the people that we love the most. And I just hope and pray that they'll provide the money to get me out of jail so I can get back to work for them.
Well, I don't think that's going to be a problem. I think once they hear and see this appeal, the money will come rolling in and you'll be back at work in no time.